Hey everybody, Ken Birdsall here from Sunnyside Chevrolet. Today we're going to go on a test drive with the all-new 2019 Chevy Silverado right here at Sunnyside Chevrolet. If you guys want to come check it out, give me a call, ask for me, Ken Birdsall at 440-365-7311. If you want to see Sunnyside's full inventory, check out that link down below. Stick around, it's going to be fun. So this particular truck is the LTZ. Second highest trim. The one above it would be the High Country. That's got everything, but this one is equipped with just about everything a High Country has. It has the LTZ Convenience Package 2, as well as the LTZ Plus package. Power up and down on the tailgate, which Chevy did a good job. They kept all the important parts of, like, the bottom of the bed, your main panels. Any fixed panels are still the steel, and any movable panels, like your door panels, your tailgate, those are all aluminum now, so it's a lot lighter, easier to open and close the door, or the tailgate to go up and down. The Durabed, that's what they're calling the bed now, that comes with 12 standard tie downs rated for 500 pounds a piece. You can add I believe another 9 tie downs that are rated for 250 pounds a piece. It does have the auto stop feature that wasn't on the previous generation, so that is new. It does have an override on the piano keys up front, where you can turn it on and off. So you just saw 420 horsepower, 460 pound-foot of torque there. Really quick 0 to 60, didn't time that, but this has got the 6.2 liter V6 engine, or V8 engine with the 10-speed automatic transmission. So that is in this mid-size truck, or the full-size truck, the 1500. That is the largest engine that you can get. Standard is a 5.3 on this LTZ, but this one is upgraded to that 6.2. And with the max trailering package, get the right combination, you can build up or tow up to 12,000 pounds. So this is the crew cab, which is a lot bigger this year compared to the old generation. And added a few inches extra of legroom in the back, and it actually sits up a couple inches higher, which is why it has grab bar on the driver's side now, kind of like the old HDs did, because it sits up a little bit higher, especially if you get a Trail Boss. It has even a 2-inch lift there, so you're going to be up even higher. That's where that's really going to come in handy. With the LTZ, you've got heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth hands-free, backup camera. This one actually has a trailering equipment package. I'll show you guys that a little bit later. But this truck was designed with trailering in mind. From the stronger engine and transmission to trailering app that's going to help you go through like a checklist of things. Has the ability to be able to turn all your lights on, like make everything blink, so that way you don't have to have somebody else help you. You know, hey, turn the left turn signal on, turn the right turn signal on. check the brakes. It runs through everything, and so you can do it by yourself. Also gives a few extra camera mirrors or camera angles to help you be able to see when backing up and trying to hook up to the hook up to the trailer, whether it's a camper or boat trailer. Going through these turns, pretty tight. Not really much on the body roll for it. It's got a 147-inch wheelbase. It's a little bit longer than the old generation, so it rides smoother. While it's still a truck, it's a lot smoother than before. This one has a rear power sliding window, and it also has a sunroof up top. Like I said, this one's just about as equipped as you can get before you go up to a high country. I know some of you are going to ask, and maybe you see it in the comments too, taking off-road. Courtesy vehicle of Sunnyside Chevrolet, so since I don't own this one, I'm obviously not going to take it off-road, but we go through some tough roads around here. And I think it handles very well. So we've done a little bit of country road driving. Now we're going to get up on the highway. Shifting at about 3,000 RPMs. And it gets up to 75 pretty quick there. So, and it's very smooth. That 10-speed automatic transmission, that is really, really good. They had an 8-speed before, and now they've made it this one with the 6.2 V8 engine to the 10-speed automatic transmission. It's really designed for towing. Those first few gears are really strong, but boy, this thing takes off in a hurry. And it doesn't feel like it's struggling at all. There's a couple other options. There's actually 6 powertrain options, everything from the 2.7 4-cylinder turbo. They have a 3.0 turbo diesel. They still have the 4.3 and the 5.3 from the last generation with the active fuel management, but then they also have the 5.3 and the 6.2 with dynamic fuel management, and that allows any cylinder to shut down, and they can go down to as few as 2. And according to GM's output, the GM's saying that about 60% of the time it will run in less than the 8 cylinders, so it's way more efficient than the 5.3 was. So in the old generation. There's 8 trim levels, still starting out down, your base work truck, but you've got everything to the high country. There's really, as GM says, there's a truck for everybody in here. One nice thing that I really like that they did this year too is they made the Z71. It's back to being a package. It's not a trim level. So you can get the Z71 package on literally any of the 8 trims and get that off-road truck feel. And this one again is a Sunnyside Chevrolet in Elyria, Ohio. If you live up this way, want to take it for a spin yourself, like just outside of Cleveland, you can give us a call at 440-365-7311. Just ask for me, Ken Birdsall. I'll be glad to help you. If you don't live in the area, have some questions, would like to see a different truck on a test drive, just let me know. Again, give me a call at 440-365-7311 or leave a comment in the notes below. You can see this full inventory of Sunnyside Chevrolet at sunnysidechevrolet.com, or you can click on the link below in the description. Really appreciate it if you guys subscribe and share this video so other people can check it out too. And let me know if you have any questions. You guys have a great day. All right, so I mentioned earlier that this truck is really designed for people towing. And one of the things that Chevy has really done to step it up above some of the competition is the trailering app. And inside the trailering app, you're going to be able to do things like getting a checklist of, depending on what kind of trailer you've got, and just, you know, did you check everything like the safety chains, and is the hitch securely mounted? You know, just going through everything that you can do by yourself. Some of the things that were really hard to do, you know, on yourself, like checking the trailer lights and stuff like that, you can do all of that right here. And you can save different if you have multiple different kinds of trailers. There's all kinds of things you can do right here in this app. And one of the things, like I mentioned, the cameras that they've added, there's all kinds of different views. And some of these may seem, like, looking at it, like, wow, when would I ever need that? But boy, when you're backing up a trailer, especially if you're in a tight spot, it's really hard to see. Some of you know, you've been in those situations where all of these cameras will come into play. Like this one here, looks like there's a camera way high above where the hitch would be. Now there's no actual hitch on this truck right now. It does have, I should say, it has the hitch, but it doesn't have the ball on there. But you'll be able to see it on there. And then you can even go in closer. This is right by the backup camera, and you just barely see the hitch mount there, but gives you all these different views, like from the side mirrors. If you had this one with that trailering package, it actually has mirrors that you can put on your trailer, so you can help you see a little bit better. There's a few other different views you can do. I'm going to slide back. Kind of a surround vision. There's all kinds of stuff. It's really, really, really helpful. It's a step up from the old game. Some of the other technologies, you scroll down, you're going to see everything from your dual zone climate control. This is an auto stop override. That was a big thing people wanted to see. You've got actually an outlet, a 120 outlet in the bed, and so you can turn that on and off here. You can put the lift gate up and down power, and then your integrated trailer brake controllers move down here. Your USB ports, those are illuminated as well. And then lastly, you've got a wireless charging pad down here that is designed, it's bigger, it's designed for the new, like the new iPhones, Galaxy Note series. It'll fit in here. And that's just some of the technology all here on the new Silverado. Wanted to make sure I showed you guys that, aside from just the road